Assalamualaikum. So we have some chicken here with pomegranate molasses, black pepper, white pepper, cardamom, and ground ginger and sea salt and olive oil with some fresh rosemary cut from outside. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven and let it marinate in the fridge to absorb some nice flavors. I'll be serving it with some of this cornbread, which I have mixed in some chipotle peppers that have adobo sauce, so it's like a smoky, spicy cornbread. Alright, turned out wonderful. The color is quite nice because it's the pomegranate molasses that has a darker color, and the natural fruit sugars will turn dark as well. But they are nice and juicy, coochie coochie, so don't think that it's dry. Wonderful, mashallah. Let this cool. See, here you can just see the juiciness of the chicken, that beautiful color as well, mashallah. The flavor is nice and tangy, savory, really wonderful, mashallah. And then this is the cornbread, nice and moist.